looking good. Kind of how we're going to want to be running. We want to see a little fire coming out of the top. I don't think these bottles are going to keep this up though. Don't know how long these bottles will hold up. It's about to go. There's little pieces of brass melting down. We're out of propane, unfortunately. I'd hate to run out right now. We're so close to it melting. Alright, it just fell off. I think I'm going to shut it down. Looks like we got it. Guy should be grabbing that ingot with a tool and pulling that out of there. We're going to shut her down from there. There you go, Ted. With a limited gas supply, we were able to achieve the objective in 12 minutes. It don't make no difference whether you got one hammer in there or 12. We would have done 12 hammers in that 12 minutes. The hammers are balancing in there fine, the way they are. I'll set you up with some brackets if we do decide to do the tray, but I'm reluctant to do any extra work to this thing that we don't need. So far, it looks like this is going to be okay. The hammer's not falling out of there. It's in there pretty good. So I think that would be okay, just as is. Oh, we got a big lump of brass on this right there. There's that, Ted. Your hammer rung. All right, Ted. We got about 3 pounds of brass here. As soon as the head fell off, I decided rather than let it melt and flow out of there and be damaged, I just pulled it out of there with a pick. That might be a better move, but when you get 12 of them at once. The furnace wasn't fully heated up yet. We'd only been running 12 minutes, guys. So, ooh, that's a little warm yet. The handle's definitely still hot. So the handle was not damaged. I was worried about that melting on us. Everything worked out great. There was no fire shooting out the side at it. Because we had the flame flying past it this direction, that's actually kind of giving us a little bit of a Venturi effect. So this is what we got. So you're looking at 3 pounds times 12 every 12 minutes. And I'm guaranteeing when this thing gets hotter, it's going to be faster than that. And we have more fuel. I was fuel efficient. So that's just the one big hammer. So you got your handle back and you got 3 pounds of brass. All right, Ted. So if you were getting, $1 a pound for that brass scrap, we've got 3 pounds times 12 hammers, 36 pounds. At 12 minutes, we can do that 40 times per day. That's 1,440 pounds. Divide that by the 8,500 you spent. Run this machine for 6 days, and you've paid for it.